A mesothelioma diagnosis can turn your world upside down. The last thing you should be worrying about is how you're going to pay for treatment or protect your family's future. At Danziger De Llano, we focus on helping victims of asbestos exposure get the compensation they deserve. Our team has spent years fighting for workers, veterans, and families affected by mesothelioma, and we know that when you're facing this disease, every day matters. That's why we move quickly. In many cases, our clients begin receiving compensation in as little as 30 to 90 days, depending on the facts of their claim and the compensation options available to them. We're not just a law firm, we're advocates for families who need answers, support, and financial relief during one of the most difficult times of their lives. If you or a loved one has been diagnosed with mesothelioma, contact Danziger De Llano today for a free mesothelioma case review. We'll explain your options, answer your questions, and help you take the next step toward the compensation you may be entitled to. You pay nothing unless we recover compensation for you. At Danziger De Llano, we know that a mesothelioma diagnosis doesn't just affect your health, it affects your entire family. The questions come quickly. How will you pay for treatment? What happens next? And do you have a legal claim? Our job is to help you find those answers. For years, we represented people who were exposed to asbestos on the job, during military service, or through products that should never have been put them at risk. We investigate where the exposure happened, identify the companies responsible, and fight to recover the compensation our clients need and deserve. And because time matters, we don't believe families should wait years for help. In many cases, our clients begin receiving compensation within 30 to 90 days, depending on their individual circumstances. When you call Danziger De Llano, you're not just hiring a law firm. You're getting the team that understands the urgency of mesothelioma cases and is committed to guiding you every step of the way with compassion, respect, and experience. If you or someone you love has been diagnosed with mesothelioma, contact Danziger De Llano today for a free case review. We'll listen to your story, explain your legal options, and help you determine whether you may be entitled to compensation. There is no cost to speak with us, and you pay nothing unless we recover compensation for you and your family.